How to use YouTube's lock screen feature. YouTube has introduced a lock screen feature on its mobile app to prevent disruptions while watching a video. Locking the screen prevents unintentional taps or swipes from interrupting video playback. This feature can be especially useful when you want to watch a video without accidentally pausing, skipping, or changing the video's progress while handling your device. As you may know, when you tap on the video player controls are revealed. If you want to prevent this, turn on the lock screen feature. To use this feature on the YouTube mobile app, follow these steps. Open the YouTube app on your mobile device and start playing the video you want to watch. Tap the screen to reveal the video player controls. Click on the settings icon. The lock screen feature is shown in the menu. Click on it. It automatically makes the video go full screen. Once you've locked the screen, you should be able to watch the video without the risk of accidental taps or swipes affecting the playback. When you tap on the video player controls will not be revealed. To close the video, tap it once, and a button will appear. Click on it. Now, the lock screen is disabled, and you can use the video player controls. We hope this video is useful to you. Please like, share, and subscribe.